Hey guys. Hope you guys are doing okay and keeping safe. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dropping Gems. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. For today's video, we're going to be speaking about KDP. What is KDP? It's Kindle Direct Publishing. This is another added way you can make money online. If you're at home, you're a stay-at-home mom, like myself, or whatever the case is, and you just want to make some extra money, this is another way. So far on my channel, I've spoken about eBay, I've spoken about making money on Amazon. Now we're at KDP, and I've also give you a heads up on what it's like to make YouTube videos. Anyway, that's not what we're going to be focusing on today. I just want to touch on that. If you don't know what's the main aim and purpose of this channel, it's to basically teach on some of the ways to make an extra income online. There is so many information, and my goal is to put as much information out there as possible, because to be honest, the information is all at your fingertips. You just need to look properly. Will I ever promote my own course? I doubt it. There's YouTube, so I don't think there's any point of actually having a course. However, I do intend on having consultations in the future. Anyway, let's get started. For today's video, if you don't know, forgive me, what KDP is, it's just basically publishing books, paperback books, or Kindle books that you can touch, however you can use, through Kindle on Amazon, alright? So you're going to create the books, create the cover for the book, and then you upload the book. I won't get into promoting the book. I'm just going to get into how to sign up in this video. And as we go along, I'll touch different parts on how to get your Kindle business up and running, alright? For sign up, if you don't have an account, an Amazon account, it could be a normal shopping account that you're using to purchase stuff on Amazon. You can use that to sign in. You're just going to come here and click on sign in, and it will automatically take you in. However, if you don't have an Amazon account, you come here and you click on sign up. Now clicking on sign up is basically going to take you to the page where you're going to have to now create an Amazon account. As you can see here, create your KDP account. Alright, so let's get started. You're going to put your name, your email address, your password, and then you're going to re-enter your password. Alright, once you fill up your first page by putting your name, your email address, and so forth, you're going to be forwarded here to verify your email address basically. So once you've gotten that email address through the email that you've received, once you've received that one-time password, you're going to put it here. You're then going to be brought to the agreement page. You can go through all this. Once you finish going through all this, you click on agree. And then you'll be brought here. You're not finished signing up as yet. Alright, so you're going to come here and you're going to update your information in order to complete. Now here they're going to ask you for a contact number. You're going to go ahead and choose which country you're located and enter in your contact number, and then we're going to come back. Okay, you're then going to be brought here. For this tree section, you're going to choose the region you're located. This is a list of countries which are supported by KDP. There's some countries that are supported, there are some countries that aren't. So my advice to you, if it is that you want to have access and your country is not here, I'm going to go through this list here quickly so you can see the countries that are supported. If your country is not listed here, I advise you to go get the app. I've been speaking about this app on most of my videos. The name of the app is called Text Now. You go there and you apply, you sign up, and you're going to issue you a free US contact number. Now you're going to use that contact number in order to sign up and have your information. All right. Now, once you have your country selected, you're going to fill in all the necessary information here, as well as your contact number. Once that's done, you're going to state where your bank is located. You check again to ensure that you have, if you choose what country you're in and the bank. If you already have a US bank account, you click on the United States and you're going to fill in this information here. Your checking number, your routing number. This is from the all your business details that I've showed you how to sign up for a business in the US. You should have your information at hand in order to fill this in. For your tax information, if you're living outside of the US, you put in necessary information. If you have your business contact, you place in the necessary information and you just fill it up and you're finished. It's that simple, guys. When you're finished, you save, and that's it. I won't go through everything, but this is just basically to show you what to expect. And yeah, don't forget to go watch the video on how to sign up to have your Amazon business. To have your business registered within the US. You could then use those details in order to sign up, either as an individual or as a business on Amazon, on eBay, as well as on KDP. Alright, if you have any questions, please leave me a message. It will be in the description below, or you can just leave a comment. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.